The automotive maintenance landscape has transformed dramatically. Today, car owners have unprecedented access to professional grade diagnostic tools and educational resources that were once exclusive to mechanics. Modern OBD2 scanners have become incredibly affordable, costing just $20 to $50. These devices plug directly into your car's diagnostic port and can read the same error codes that mechanics charge over $100 to access. Mobile apps like Torque Pro, Blue Driver, and FixD transform your smartphone into a professional diagnostic tool. These apps provide real-time vehicle data, maintenance reminders, and detailed repair information right at your fingertips. YouTube channels like ChrisFix and Scotty Kilmer have democratized automotive knowledge. These expert mechanics share step-by-step tutorials, teaching millions of viewers how to perform their own repairs and maintenance safely and effectively. The financial impact is substantial. While traditional shop maintenance costs $1,200 to $1,500 annually, DIY maintenance can reduce this to just $500 to $800, saving you up to $800 every year. By leveraging these modern tools and educational resources, you can take control of your car care. Understanding your vehicle's actual needs helps you avoid unnecessary repairs, recognize common scams, and build the confidence to maintain your car effectively and affordably. 4 essential maintenance tasks can save you hundreds of dollars annually while keeping your vehicle running smoothly. These simple jobs require minimal tools and can be done at home. First, oil changes. Despite quick lube shops pushing 3,000-mile intervals, modern synthetic oils can safely last 7,500 to 10,000 miles. This chart shows actual manufacturer recommendations. Air filter replacement is a 5-minute job that shops charge $25 to $50 for. This comparison shows a dirty filter versus a clean one. The filter costs $10 to $20 and requires no tools in most vehicles. Cabin air filters are often overlooked, but equally simple to replace. Shops charge $50 to $80 for a $15 to $25 filter. This image shows the dramatic difference between old and new cabin filters. Proper tire maintenance significantly impacts fuel economy. This graph demonstrates how underinflated tires reduce fuel efficiency. Proper inflation can improve fuel economy by 3 to 4%, while regular rotation extends tire life by 20 to 30%. Now let's examine common automotive scams that cost drivers hundreds of dollars unnecessarily. Recognizing these tactics will protect you from overcharging and unnecessary services. The transmission flush scam involves claiming your transmission needs an immediate $2,500 flush or rebuild. In reality, a simple fluid change for $150 is often sufficient. Beware of high-pressure emergency repair tactics. The air filter demonstration scam involves showing you a dirty filter and claiming engine damage risk. Shops mark up $15 filters by 300 to 400%. Always check your filter yourself monthly to avoid this upsell. Premature brake pad replacement is another common scam. Shops recommend replacement at 4 to 5 millimeters pad thickness, but pads can safely operate until 2 to 3 millimeters. This premature replacement costs $200 to $400 unnecessarily. Protect yourself from automotive scams with these essential strategies. These simple practices can save you hundreds of dollars and ensure you only pay for necessary repairs. Always demand written estimates before any work begins. This protects you from surprise charges and allows you to research fair pricing. Verbal estimates are not legally binding and can change dramatically. Request to see old parts when repairs are completed. Honest shops will gladly show you damaged components. If they refuse or claim parts were too damaged to save, this is a major red flag indicating potential fraud. Demand clear explanations for all recommended repairs. Mechanics should explain why repairs are needed, not just what needs fixing. If they cannot provide a clear explanation or become defensive, seek a second opinion elsewhere. By mastering these essential maintenance tasks and recognizing common scams, you can maintain your vehicle effectively while avoiding overcharges. Stay informed, stay proactive, and protect your wallet from unnecessary automotive expenses.